In order to comply with federal child protection laws and to allow users under the age of 13 to have access to the Innovation Portal, the child's legal guardians and/or teachers can create a satellite user account for users under the age of 13. A satellite user account allows the legal guardian to monitor the minor's activity within the Innovation Portal, but does not restrict cooperative learning opportunities. In order for legal guardians to create a satellite user account for a minor, they must also have an active Innovation Portal account. If you do not have an active Innovation Portal account, please reference the instructional video, Registering and Creating an Account. Let's step back and take a brief overview of the entire process. In this example, a teacher creates team portfolios for their class. Next, the teacher assigns students to each portfolio by creating a username and password for each student. Finally, the teacher monitors the progress within the portfolios and can enter the portfolio into an opportunity for the team. Students can only collaborate within the portfolio they have been assigned to. They cannot work within other portfolios, nor can they create portfolios or invite additional members. The teacher has complete control of outside access to the portfolio. This includes entering the work into a competition or sharing out the work during its development with outside mentors or project sponsors. To begin the satellite account creation process, select Sign In and enter your login information. After logging in, your user dashboard will be displayed. The first step in creating a satellite account is to create a new portfolio. The new portfolio will provide students with a safe, guardian-monitored location within the Innovation Portal to build and collaborate on portfolio resources. To begin this process, select Create Portfolio. Enter a portfolio name. We will call our example portfolio Team Green. Based on your circumstance, you may wish to provide a portfolio description, such as your school, class, or a project overview that will appear on your portfolio cover page called Portfolio Homepage. A description will be helpful if you, your child, or your students have access to multiple portfolios. After providing a description, select Create. The title of your newly created portfolio will now be displayed. At this point, your portfolio homepage is displayed with the project description we entered earlier. That description can be added to or edited at any time by selecting the Edit tab on your dashboard. You currently have no collaborators assigned to your portfolio. The portfolio file structure has been created displaying elements A to N and is now available for you to upload documents, pictures, videos, etc. As the portfolio creator, you are also the portfolio administrator and can control user access pertaining to the portfolio. As the administrator, you have the ability to invite users to contribute and utilize the portfolio, including minors under the age of 13. To begin this process, select Manage Portfolio Members. Scroll down to provide access to the portfolio to users under the age of 13, select Manage Satellite Accounts. Enter the minor's first name. Enter the minor's last name. Enter a username for the minor. It is common to use the first initial of the user's first name followed by the user's last name. Enter a password for the minor's account and then verify the password. To finalize the satellite account creation, verify the minor's account information. Scroll down and select Create Satellite Account. After the satellite account has been created, the account username will be displayed. To provide additional access to minors under the age of 13, simply repeat the process. As the satellite account creator, you have access to satellite account information. You will be able to reset passwords or delete satellite accounts if needed. If multiple satellite accounts will be added to this portfolio, keep in mind that the username must be unique. If you want to provide access to both Jane Doe and John Doe, you will have to make an exception to the common username role of the first initial followed by last name. Next, let's take a look at what a satellite account user will see when they log into the Innovation Portal. To begin this process, we will need to first log out of our user account by selecting Log Out. Next, we will select Sign In. For this example, I'll sign in as our student Jane Doe. We will enter the login jdoe and the appropriate password. Finally, we will select Login. We are now logged in as Jane. The first thing you should notice is that as a satellite user, we are brought to the Team Green portfolio page and not the user dashboard. As a satellite user, Jane has restricted access to the Innovation Portal and is only provided access to the specific portfolio for which she is a satellite user. She cannot communicate with other users outside of the portfolio or create her own portfolio and add users. Congratulations! At this point, you have created a safe portfolio for minors to collaborate within, whereby you can control the access to your students, from your students, and the opportunities they may participate in.